Hi guys, so I want to get this pink out of my hair now because I want to use Decoy by Pulp Riot, or I'm going to use Powder by Pulp Riot, which is a light blue. So the issue is the pink and the peach, I don't want puke green hair. So I'm kind of anxious because obviously I do my hair often and really my ends are light enough, but I don't want to put too much product in it. So I am going to use Pulp Riot. I was going to try out this Malibu CPR because this is not bleach based or developer based. You just use water. It's like these gel crystals. But I am nervous, and since my hair is Pulp Riot diluted, I figure I'll use Pulp Riot. But I'm going to put some oil in my ends and around any hair that might be more damaged. Right now it looks bad because I haven't straightened it or anything. So I am going to cross my fingers and just say a prayer for my hair because I really just want something new. And I've washed it so many times and it really is lightened, but like this is what I need out, this part. Like, I need this part out. So like I said, I'm gonna put oil in my ends just to like protect it, so if it gets any lower, even if it gets down, I can have it lightened a little bit. But and also because when I did my hair, I had my front part bleached, like this was super bleached. So I'm gonna not do this part till like, maybe not do it at all actually, maybe do it a little bit because this is more chemically treated right here. So that is what I'm doing. I'm gonna speed it all up. And I am nervous. So I have my my scale, and I have a lot of bags of these. And I do have the designated developer, but I have it in 20, and I'm nervous, but I've been thinking about it for like 2 weeks now. Pretty much like, I love the pink. I love my pastel hair. I'm gonna do a pastel color because I just think they're beautiful. They fade so nicely. And so I want to do that, but I've been thinking about doing this for a very long time. We are measuring. So I'm nervous, and I hope that I still have hair on my head and it looks good when we are done. And just pray, fingers crossed. With everything going on in the world right now, I just need to distract myself because I can't. So that's where we're at. 2.4. Okay, so I will be back. Okay, so I'm kind of anxious. I only have 20, so that's what I'm gonna use because, so I am using the designated developer. And I'm using a scale, but I really thought I had 10. So pray for my hair. And it's 1 to 3 ratio. So I'm just gonna turn this back so I can maybe braid this side of the way. I don't know how. Okay, so we're gonna separate my hair. I have a mirror back here that I use as my mirror. Okay, so I do have brushes. So, okay, what time is it exactly? It is 10:02. 10:02, Jessica. Okay, that was my very, oh, oil. Crap. Okay, gloves gotta come off. So, I don't know, I've never seen someone do oil. This is just my thinking. I'm just hoping that it will create a barrier for my ends. Like up here, definitely want to put some there. But like, that's my thinking, is it will create a barrier. So I just want to saturate my most damaged hair in oil. And this I just got at Sally's. You know, it's the generic to the silk that used to be so popular. I don't know if it's popular anymore, but now my hair feels like a grease ball. Oh, my hands feel, actually maybe it's good for my skin. I have really dry I have really dry hair. So I'm just gonna put this part, I feel like, because your money pieces are the hair that you love the most. Okay. Okay. We are gonna be strategic. And I want to try to put this on as quick as possible because I don't want to keep it on very long. So, and I like trying to do both sides of my head at the same time because I like symmetry. And then after this, I am going to wash it very quickly. So I think like 10 minutes tops is how much I'm gonna keep this on for. So I'm not a hairdresser. Like I'm not a licensed hairdresser. So don't follow me. And like, I feel like everyone follows Brad Mondo because he's awesome. Brad, I love you. Look at my hair turning orange already. Yes, sectioning. That's what you would tell me. You would say section your hair. I did notice that this does lighten your roots a little bit, but I don't want to do it right now and have my roots lighten so much. So I can speed this up when I'm editing. Normally I take my time so much, but because I'm being cautious right now of my hair, I really am just trying to, you know, because I don't have to remove all of it. My hair was orange before this, bright orange. I was like a firecracker. So I did get it pretty white last time. I mean, with some orange pigments in it. That was almost my eyeball. This is why I wear my contacts when I do my hair. Because if I had my glasses on, I would have like that, I wouldn't be able to see it in my peripheral vision. I can't find my rat comb. So I'm kind of like just working with what I got. It is a Sunday today in sunny Florida. The kiddos are out there watching America's Funniest Home Videos, which is like a throwback to like Americans. I think it's very cool. It makes me smile and it's like nostalgic. So, I don't know, it's pretty cool. Christian and them are just hanging out. Let me get some on my back. Like, obviously I see it lightening some, which is the purpose. It's a color remover. I feel very frazzled right now. Usually I'm not frazzled when I'm doing this. But, because I did damage my hair last time, I am apprehensive. And I mixed up way too much of this, which sucks. I mean, I do have 3 more bags of it, but I hate wasting product. I like it better when I mix my own colors. I feel like it's more unique, and it is, I don't know, it just comes out like that. Like, I know when I do my hair, I have like an image completely in my head. Like, I have a vision, and the color I've been wanting to do, I cannot find online. Like, I've looked, but I feel like I just can't find the exact color that I want. So, and so you might be thinking, Jessica, you are fucking nuts. And quite likely, I am. In more ways than you know. Okay, I love that my hair is getting yellow. I know that it's working, and because I know that's working, I know it's doing damage, which I don't love. Yeah. I will put it right there. The color is like a, do you hear that? Let's look at the clock. Clock check. 10:12. We're past what I want it to be. And I might speed this up, so I'm gonna be like, blah, 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 blah. If not, you just saw me. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, now I'm just putting it everywhere because go big or go home. I really don't want a pixie cut. I don't. I just feel like I have to get some of this, or just hear my glove squeak. It looks cuter when I had that up here. I know. I feel like, does anyone else judge how they look when they put stuff on their hair like this? Even though obviously you're like cementing your head. You're cementing your head. You're making like a helmet of hair, which doesn't generally look good on anybody. Okay, so we're still quickly. Yep, you know, this was the last part that I did. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of brush it through my ends a little bit because about 2 minutes, and I'm going to immediately go wash this out. Like, I'm going straight to the sink, and I am going to, I just want to make sure that I get all my hair, and I have so much left right now that. Do you hear the kids? I think they're playing hide and go seek. So, okay, I feel like we removed the pink. If it's a little orange, you know what? I'm okay with that. As long as my hair is on my head. So I said at 2 minutes, I am like 5 seconds to 2 minutes. My bowl is empty because I didn't want to waste anything. Okay, my hair's on top of my head. I am going to hit. Okay guys, I haven't looked yet. Ignore my makeup because yeah. So okay, it got. It's so much better than I expected. I was so anxious to keep it on. Let me find a. Sorry, I was playing with my O-ring lights. So decoy. So I think it's gonna be perfect for this base. All the pink is out. I'm so freaking excited. I was so nervous. Ignore this red face. I need to go like wash my face with good face wash stuff. I'm gonna use Olaplex number 3. I'm just gonna let it sit in my hair for a while. So I wanted to show you my hair first. But I was so nervous. So nervous. So nervous. But now I'm getting excited. So I did wash my hair out twice because I wanted to make sure that I got all this out of my hair. And I guess I'm gonna make this into 2 videos because I'm already at like 30 minutes. So once I edit it, so there'll be a part 2. But yeah, probably should have taken a picture of my hair for a thumbnail before. I'll do that once I'm done with, I'll come back. I'm just talking randomly to you. Okay, my hair is pretty saturated. I really don't want to, I guess I can use a little more. I just need to buy more. Okay, so I'll come back once I rinse this out in a while and I will show you the color it turned out. So yay! Okay, so I Olaplexed my hair and I fell asleep on the couch. So I just wanted to show you how great the color remover worked. I only did 10 minutes and I did 20 volume. My hair's not straightened or anything because I'm lazy. And I'm gonna do the decoy color tomorrow. I'm really excited about it. So it worked out super well. Excuse these little weird O-ring thingies in my eyeballs. I'll turn it off. Okay, so now you can see the color, but it's not a very good, this is no lighting. But it turned out so much better than I expected. I was so nervous. So I'm so excited. I think that the light turquoise is gonna do really well, even though I have a little bit of yellow because it is a green-ish color. I think it's gonna do good. So yeah, thank you for watching this terrifying journey with me. I am Jessie. You are YouTube. If you like me, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye. Hey, if anyone's watching to the end of this video, Ulta had a sale. I got the KKW, Kim Kardashian, her old shadow. It was originally $45. It was $11 because she's going vegan and cruelty free or whatever. But I would, like, I kind of always wanted to try this, but I would never pay 45 bucks. I don't like the Kardashians, but I heard that this formula is super great. So I am more excited than you know. And what else did I get? I got some more lipsticks that I didn't intend to do my hair greening with, or aqua, teal, whatever with. So tomorrow I'm gonna do it. I got some light, like some liquid highlighting drops because I wanted to try liquid ones, and I don't know how to read this brand. That. But they had great reviews. And use our lip liner because I was going for the lip. I was going for the dark lip look. See, got a bunch of stuff. I got some Color Shock, ColourPop Color Shock eyeshadows. I got a pink and a Dream Lover and a Twinker pad. Twitter painted. Good job, Jess. I also got this dark lip color by ColourPop because I always wanted to try their color, their lip colors. End result. So if you need to strip semi-permanent color out of your hair, blank canvas, Pulp Riot, do it. Forget bleach baths. Literally, you can buy this on Amazon. You can buy the developer on Amazon. Do not do a bleach bath. This saves your hair, and literally it took me 10 minutes. So I swear upon this. Swear. I'm not a hairdresser, but I got you.